I joined the Special Administrator of Suva City Council in welcoming the Director and his delegation. Today marks another historic moment as we continue to build on our friendship with the Guangdong Province in China. It's a great honor and privilege to be present here this morning for the signing of the MOUs between the Suva City Council, Republic of Fiji, and Guangdong Province, People's Republic of China. As mentioned earlier on, the two MOUs are on: one, the construction of a friendship garden and landmark building, and two, for the renovation of the Suva Civic Auditorium and Lower Hall. The history of the sister city relationship between the Suva City Council and the Guangdong Province goes back to the ongoing discussion between the two parties from the year 2010 and the signing of the first MOU on the 17th December 2010. That MOU was to promote principles of equality and mutual benefit, exchange and cooperation in the two areas. The second MOU between the Suva City Council and Guangdong Province was signed on the 1st June 2015 for the purpose of expanding upon the friendship between the two countries and further developing the exchanges and cooperation between the two cities. The ongoing visitation, discussion and exchange program for the Pacific Young Leaders has helped a lot in strengthening the friendship, cooperation and trust between Suva City and Guangdong Province and the two countries as a whole. At this juncture, I would like to thank the People's Republic of China for all the assistance given to the Republic of Fiji in the development of infrastructure. Today, we have gathered here to witness a milestone in the sister city relationship between the Suva City Council and Guangdong Province and the signing of the two significant MOUs for the Friendship Garden landmark building and renovation of Suva Civic Auditorium, which will be funded by the Guangdong Province. The renovation of Suva Civic Auditorium shall see Suva City's sister partner investing a huge sum to renovate the Suva Civic Auditorium. Suva Civic Auditorium renovation has been overdue, and the renovation program includes upgrading the interior outlook and introducing new seats, sound system, and an improved gallery area. Friendship Park shall have different varieties of flower gardens, and the landmark building will be used for cultural exchange, vocational training, cultural display, tourism promotion, and other activities conducive to enhancing bilateral friendship and cooperation. On behalf of the Government of Fiji, I would like to sincerely thank Guangdong Province for their goodwill in funding these two projects and further strengthening the friendship and cooperation between Suva City and Guangdong Province. I wish to see this sister city relationship go a long way in enhancing the cooperation to promote economic trade, tourism, culture, etc. for the development of two cities. Such relationships does not only assist our capital city, but also strengthens and friendship between the two countries. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, may God bless us all. Vinaka.